What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna dive headfirst into one of the biggest blockchain NFT games in the world. As a matter of fact, when judged by active users per day, Axie Infinity is indeed the king of play-to-earn NFT video games. And today, here on the AI on Crypto channel, we're gonna buy our first 3 Axies. You need 3 Axies in order to play this game. Once you have your team of Axies, you can begin playing, and when you play, you earn something called SLPs. Now, SLP is a real-world cryptocurrency that you can trade for other cryptos like Ethereum, meaning you can create wealth and generate income by playing this game. Here at AI on Crypto, we don't like to just read articles about games. We don't like to just watch other people's YouTube channels and kind of try to summarize it for you guys. We get our hands dirty on this channel. And I want to talk about Axie Infinity because I am a blockchain NFT gaming focused content creator. So how can I ignore the blockchain NFT gaming platform with the most active daily users? I simply can't. So if I'm going to talk about Axies with you guys here on this platform, then you better believe I'm going to put my Ethereum where my mouth is, and I'm going to actually get some of these assets, play the game, and let you know my real opinion on this stuff, not just something I caught on an article somewhere or trying to regurgitate some other YouTube creator that actually did the work, right? So anyways, enough with my rant. Let's get into Axie Infinity right now, and together we're going to use their Ronin Wallet to buy this channel's first 3 Axies. Alright, for the newcomers of the channel, this is AI on Crypto. We cover cryptocurrency prices and trends, altcoin gems, and all the things on the blockchain that's going to fill your bags to the max while keeping you far, far away from Wreck City. We put out 5 to 6 videos a week of up-to-the-minute crypto content to keep you on the top of your crypto game. We cover NFTs, blockchain gaming, decentralized finance, altcoins, and more. So if you're into that kind of stuff, do us both a favor by subscribing to the channel, tap the bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing, and like the video for the algorithm. Alright guys, let's get to it and buy these Axies. Now first of all, to do this, you're going to want to use Google Chrome, because we're going to be using the Ronin Wallet in order to get these Axies layer 2 gas free. Alright, so I assume if you've made it this far and you're into blockchain NFT gaming, you probably already have a MetaMask wallet. You're going to need that before you get the Ronin wallet, so go ahead and get that MetaMask wallet and get your Ronin wallet ready. If you need instructions on how to get a MetaMask wallet, check out YouTube. There's plenty of other videos on the topic. So just Google Ronin Wallet. It's to the Google App Store where you're going to actually select to download this browser wallet extension. Once you download the browser wallet, go ahead and create your password and write down your seed phrase. And remember, it's very important to write that seed phrase down. It's a 12-word seed phrase that you need to reactivate this Ronin wallet on another device should something happen to this device. Okay, guys, once you have your Ronin wallet in place, head on over to axieinfinity.com and you'll be here at the Axie homepage. And I remember when I first checked out Axie Infinity for the first time, this homepage really kind of drew me in. You know, there's something that's super simple about the art on Axie Infinity, but at the same time, it's beautiful. You know, the use of colors is fantastic. And from everything I've heard, they're creating really cute characters, but also behind the cuteness is a really good strategy game. So I'm really looking forward to getting going here with Axie Infinity. Now, because the Axie Infinity game has gotten so popular, combined with the fact that there's an NFT mania right now, the price of these Axies has gone up over the recent months, and it is not cheap to get your first 3 Axies. Pretty much the lowest cost Axie I've seen on the marketplace is about $150, and you don't necessarily want to get the worst Axie because you can recoup your investment here in the Axies with earning the SLP tokens from playing the game. But in order to win these SLP tokens, you have to do just that, win. So you don't. So if you're gonna go ahead and take the effort and investment to get these Axies, you can spend just a little more than the bare minimum to give yourself an honest opportunity to succeed and earn those SLP tokens to actually pay for the cost of your Axies over time. So once here at AxieInfinity.com, at the very top, select the Marketplace tab. Okay, once you've selected the Marketplace tab, you can see at the top of the new page, there's going to be a Bridge tab. Select Bridge, and this is going to be the Ronin Bridge. So it's going to ask me to sign into my MetaMask account, and I'm going to deposit. As you can see here, deposit allows you to transfer your assets to Ronin. This will also auto upgrade your SLP Axies. So AXS is another currency or coin that is part of this Axie Infinity ecosystem that is tradable on exchanges like Uniswap. So let's go ahead and select deposit. Now here where it says Ronin address, I'm going to get that from my Ronin browser extension wallet. So here is my address. I'm going to copy it. Then after I copy it, I'm going to paste it right here where it says Ronin address. Then I'm going to go to where it says asset and I'm going to select Ethereum. Now it's kind of reading what I have in my MetaMask wallet. So it's saying I've got 2.03 Ethereum available to send. All right, so I'm going to send 0.4 Ethereum out of my MetaMask wallet and send it over here to the Ronin wallet as wrapped Ethereum. All right, so we've got 0.4 selected in the quantity. We've got Ethereum selected as the asset. We've got the Ronin address copied and pasted there, and this is on the Bridge app. So now we're going to select next. 0.4 Ethereum going from MetaMask to Ronin. All right, I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. Okay, guys, so after I initiated the transfer of 0.4 Ethereum from my MetaMask wallet to the Axie Infinity Ronin wallet, the funds have successfully transferred. I've connected my Ronin wallet to the Axie app. I've created a username, and now it is showing my Ethereum balance in MetaMask of 1.62 ETH, as well as my wrapped Ethereum balance in Ronin of 0.4. Okay, so now that that's all out of the way, let's go to the marketplace and build our team. So I've done a little bit of research before making this video, and you have a team of 3 Axies. And basically, in order to build your team properly, there's what's called a tank, a damage dealer, and a utility player. Okay, so starting out with the tank, who you put in front of your group, you want somebody with high health points, usually plant, reptile, or aquatic. High defensive moves is the goal for your tank. Then in the middle, you're going to put your utility Axie. This is somebody who's a little good of everything, has a combination of defensive and offensive and healing type moves to give you flexibility in battle. And then in the back of your group, you're going to want your damage dealer. This is going to be something with really high attack points that is kind of like the finisher of your team. So that's what we're going to be looking to do today, is we're going to be looking to get a tank, a damage dealer, and a utility Axie. So starting out, let's get the tank. I'm going to choose a reptile. Now another pro tip I got was that you want your pureness to be a 6. So whenever your pureness is higher, you're going to see that it's slightly more coveted Axie. So with pureness at any, I could have got a reptile Axie for as cheap as $140. When I go for a 6 pureness, it jumps all the way up to $220. Now the reason you want pureness, when you have a pure Axie that's pure reptile, you're going to have more synergy with all of the various moves you're able to do. Now another thing to consider is the breed count. So the lower the breed count, the cheaper it is to breed your Axies. The higher the breed count, the more expensive it gets until there's the point where you can no longer even breed anymore. Now you can see when I take the desired breed count down to 0, which is I guess you could call the best, the price of the Axie jumps up to $608. So building my team today, I don't think I want to go that crazy in cost for just one of my 3 Axie. So I'm going to keep the breed count at any. So starting out, I'm going to pick my Axie based on appearance. And then if I see an Axie I like here, I'm going to delve into what its stats may be. Okay guys, so You know, I don't mean to brag or anything, but I think I've developed a pretty good eye for NFTs over the last few years. And this little guy here is catching my eye. So he looks pretty cool when compared to the other ones. His colors are standing out to me. I like the confused look that he has. He's got this pumpkin. He's got good health, high morale. And then I like his card. So he's got this October treat move, vegetable bite, which I like. This wooden stab looks pretty cool. And he looks to be immune from aqua type creatures. So I like this guy. I'm going to go ahead and get him as my tank. All right, guys, now I'm going to go with the plant Axie. I'm going to go for this one right here for $200. It is a breed count of 3 plant. And it's got the October treat, vegetable bite, healing aroma, and carrot hammer. So all of these are highly coveted abilities from the plant Axie. So we're gonna go with this guy as our second Axie on the team and as our plant. Okay, guys, and check this out. For our damage dealing attack Axie, we're gonna go with the beast category right here. And I think this is a heck of a deal. For just $171. We can get some pretty serious attack damage, 125, 105, 105, and 70 with the move. So we're going to go ahead and buy this guy to round out our team. All right, guys, so now when you see my inventory, you see my starting team of Axies, all right? I've got a reptile, a plant, and a beast. To start my adventures into the world of Axie Infinity, there's more to do that I might get into in the future with regards to owning land and other activities in this game. I look forward to it, and we will chronicle those activities here on this channel. So if you didn't do it already, go ahead and tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.